Right, we've just travelled an hour in an Uber to come and buy this beauty. This is a bumpy flight.
As you can feel, we are going through some area of turbulence, so if you can please make sure that your seatbelt is securely fastened and that toilets are not in use at the moment. Thank you.
Bit of a roller coaster. Here we go. I think it was Billy Connolly that said there are two seasons in Scotland, June and winter. And I certainly think today they're absolutely right. Welcome to Scotland. Right, we've just travelled an hour in an Uber to come and buy this beauty. Not great weather to appraise a car, but we bring a cloth and we will wipe it down as best we can so we can see it. Right, I've been around the car, all looks good, and I've done the deal, it's bought, so I'm about to make a journey back. Before I do so, I'm going to show you why I've travelled all the way from London to Dundee to buy an SQ5. 2017, this car has covered just 23,000 miles. And it is rather special. It has got such an amazing spec. So, what has it got? It's got rather unusual 20-inch multi-spoke wheels. It is an air suspension car. Adaptive air suspension. And if you've got an elderly pooch or want to just lower the suspension, you can lower it down here and it'll drop down, giving you a lower boot area to get into and a much nicer ride. This car has got the assistance package tour pack with adaptive cruise control. It also has lane assist and side assist with it as well. Parking pack advanced, 360-degree cameras, so you've got front, rear and two side cameras. And it has got parking assistance as well. Inside, look at this. Carbon Atlas interior inlays, memory seats, memory dimming door mirrors, Bang & Olufsen sound system. It's got the very nice Rotor Grey interior, and there, 23,000 miles. Although I'm going to add 500 or 600 miles to it to get home, but what a journey it'll be. Inside, flat bottom steering wheel, privacy glass in there. There you go, air suspension, adaptive cruise control settings. What a specification. This car's also fitted with matrix lights. Panoramic glass sunroof. Won't get the joys of that today with the weather, but so there we have it, a very high spec car. These are the reasons why we'll go all over the UK to find these cars. I'm back in Inverness on Monday, and I'll probably do a video for that car too. Hope you find that useful. Full details of the car will be coming up onto the website in the next few days, but by all means get in touch. Info at fontaine.co.uk or give us a call and we'll be happy to give you the full details and price. Thanks for watching. Here's my journey. 7 hours 49 minutes to get back, but it's worth it.